Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to create an iCloud mail address. Start now. On your iPhone or Mac, open Settings or System Preferences and tap Apple ID, then iCloud. Turn Mail on. This registers your mailbox. Choose an @iCloud. Name when prompted. Pick something simple and unique so delivery and syncing work reliably. Once done, make sure your Apple ID is verified and two-factor authentication is enabled. That prevents access problems later and is required for smooth setup and sync across devices. Next, configure mailbox details so mail behaves the way you want. Open Mail Settings and set your primary at iCloud. Address, add aliases if needed, and create a signature for outgoing messages. Then, review forwarding and filtering. Enable rules to sort messages into folders automatically. If you use a custom domain, connect it in iCloud Plus settings. Verify DNS records with your provider. Finally, set sync duration, notifications, and VIP contacts so important messages. Finish by testing your new inbox. Send and receive messages from another account and verify sync on all devices. If mail doesn't appear, check Apple ID verification, two-factor authentication status, iCloud system status, and available iCloud storage. Full storage blocks new mail. As a quick fix, sign out of iCloud and sign back in, reboot the device, and ensure OS and Mail app updates are installed. If problems persist, contact Apple support for account-specific recovery steps.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.